Welcome to TAPOSHI Educational Tutorial. Good morning everyone. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August 2022 and we are all celebrating 75th Independence Day. I am happy that I got chance to speak in this channel. This day is the most important day for us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many others devoted their entire life to independence our country. Today we are fortunate and we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on the border to protect our country. We should try to do everything for progress, prosperity and growth of our country. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you for watching.